dahil kinikilig ako dahil mapapakinggan ko ang ating idol ngayong gabi. Kasi
wow!
share niya, yung wisdom niya talaga, Coach Joey, iba. Iba yung wisdom niya. So, paano mo nakikita yung ating guest tonight?
Ay, nakikita ko sa kanya yung para siyang yung decenteng tingnan, tapos yung parang kung kakausapin mo siya, parang ka lang pakikinig ka talaga no? Kumbaga sa experience, no?
Yes.
Ayan, papakinggan mo
Oo, papakinggan mo talaga siya. And ayun nga, akala ko nga 'di ba pag hindi siya approachable, pero 'di ba napakabait talaga nilang mag-asawa. And they are promoting personality development first. Yan yung nakita ko kanila, that they are promoting that one, which is very important, very crucial sa bawat entrepreneurs. Yun yung sinabi niya. Kaya, excited ka na ba, Coach Joey? Alam mo, excited yung mga nandito. Although, na siya last time sa DMW natin ng mga presentation, pero hindi masyadong up close ba. Kumbaga, eto right now, makakausap natin siya ng talagang solong-solo na siya yung ma-close natin na makausap siya. And I know excited din yung mga nanonood sa atin, Coach Joey, kasi mas marami siya ngayon sasabihin sa atin. And makikilala natin siya deeper in his life as
yes, no.
So, do the honor, Coach Joey, ipakilala mo na ang ating guest for tonight.
Yes, ang ating guest for tonight, kung kami ni Coach Mavic is very excited na dito sa ating guest ngayong gabi, no? So dapat kayo rin po excited na rin po. Ayan, kaya i-type nyo po dyan, no? I am excited, no? So without further ado, let's welcome our diamond, no? Coach Noel Caparoso.
Hello.
Ayan. Coach Noel is in the house. Good
evening. Welcome po.
You have a chance po to greet our viewers, our DMW family. I-greet nyo po sila. Ibigay nyo po ang inyong napakataas na positivity. I-ano po natin sa kanila, the frequency and the positivity, we transfer it to our viewers right now. Sige po, Coach Noel, bati po kayo.
Yes, first of all, good evening sa inyo, Miss Mavi and Mr. Joey. And also to the viewers sa podcast na to, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kasi alam natin kung maski saan na to I'm happy to be your guest tonight.
Yes, and we are so happy also.
We are so happy to. Ayan.
Okay, so umpisahan na natin. Ibabato ko na po ang unang tanong. Okay na po ba kayo, Coach Noel? Ready na?
Ready na.
Ayan. So, ready
Ayan.
na. So, I'm very excited po, Coach Noel. No? Me personally, nakita ko po kayo nag-share sa DMW and sabi ko, grabe, iba tong taong to ha. And I really love watching every time na meron po kayong sinasabi, and even nung anniversary natin, because the words that's coming from you, napakalalim po, no? Sobrang lalim nyo, na personality ninyo, sobrang lalim, and even your wife, you are so lovely couple. Kaya sabi ko, ito yung mga couple talaga na dapat susundan and papakinggan. And right now, kayo po ay mapapakinggan po ng napakarami at makukuha po nila sa inyo ang wisdom na gusto nyo po iparating sa amin, sa lahat po, so that we have our open mind and open heart how to be a diamond like Coach Noel. And to begin with po, sino po ba si Coach Noel nung hindi pa siya na-engage sa industry na MLM?
Yes. Ako talaga, when I seen Live Good, before Live Good, ang buhay ko, at least, I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. Doon nag-umpisa talaga yung life ko. But as I go along my life, nasa isip na talaga yung negosyo. Kasi ito yung bili ng papa ko na pag magtrabaho ka lang, mahirapan kang magpaaral sa mga anak ko. Which is my father and my mother are all teachers. They are teachers. But sad, they did not encourage us to teach. Kasi nakita ko sa kanila, they are not happy with what they get as a teacher. Yon ang nakita ko. That's why yung bili ng papa ko, talagang nandoon na kailangan magnegosyo. Negosyo talaga ang binili sa amin.
Negosyo talaga.
Yeah. That is one of the first na bakit ako talaga nagnegosyo. Then I started my career as an engineer. Then I go just to set my life. 2 years lang talaga. First job, 2 years. Ang talagang kailangan na binilin sa akin is just to learn first, not to make money. That is one thing that I learned with my father na yung trabaho talaga kulang talaga. That's why in their life, they started na may sideline na. Even teacher sila, pag weekend may sideline.
Wow,
yun
so
ang life
talagang
nila.
nakita nyo, lumaki kayo na kitang-kita nyo may mga side hustle na sila.
Yes. Talaga weekend mayroon na silang side hustle talaga. That is our starting point. Kami lahat na magkakapatid, 6 kami. Lahat walang teacher, pero sad lang na at the age of 9 years old namatay yung mama ko. Namatay yung mama ko at 9 years old. Grade 3. Grade 3 ako, wala ng mama, but my father really promised my mother na kailangan makatapos lahat na anak sa college. Yun ang promise na talagang sa akin nga ngayon, naisip ko yan, iba ang promise ng papa ko within the time na talaga to promise to finish. Yan, we start the schooling kasi probinsya kami sa Cebu, North Cebu. Pagdating yung dalawang kapatid ko, magandang school, nasa Seliman, sa Dumaguete, malayo sa Cebu. But in our case, kasi namatay yung mama ko, Cebu na lang kami, nag-college. But really happy rin kasi we finished. The 6 children finished college. But that is the mindset na nandyan sa amin na with that, yung bili niya na mahirap pag magtrabaho ka lang. Mahirapan ka magpa-aral sa mga anak mo. That's why it's already on my mind to na talagang to learn business. But sad lang na when I started my business, as I work, I tried to become, yung talagang binigay lahat na but there is nobody guide you.
Yes.
Trabaho ka, then learning after 2 years. Talaga, even sa life ko as an engineer, yan sabi nga nila, why you want to resign and transfer to other company na hindi naman engineering course? Next, talagang iniwan ko yung technical course ko. Pumunta ako, nagtrabaho ng isang trucking company just to learn business. Trucking company, it's really, yung sabi nga ng boss ko, why you stop? Engineer ka, bakit nandito ka? I just want to know how to do business. Marketing yung first nag-marketing ako. Then after that, I decided to go abroad after 2 years na naman. Even in Bahrain, Middle East, for nearly 5 years. 5 years. Sa mga OFW dyan, yung buhay natin dyan, alam ko, it's not easy. Even after 10 months, I just decided to tell my boss, I want my wife and my child to be here. Pag hindi mo, uwi ako. Mga ganun
May pag-bargain.
Oh, may bargain talaga eh. Ginawa niya kasi I'm doing the business. I'm running his business as service company sa Bahrain. Then I started building a merger of a Bahraini company and Austrian company. That is my first talagang learning the business.
On the
How to
business.
start. Yes.
Mhm.
Nandoon kami for 5 years. Then after that, we decided because to go back to the Philippines for good because my child is already going to school. 5 years old and in the Middle East it's very difficult. Kailangan mong yaya. Then
Oo,
hirap.
oo. Tsaka
Hirap.
sabi po nila mas maganda daw yung educational dito, quality dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes. At least safe rin kasi alam mo Middle East, mahirap pag babae. Talagang may challenge talaga pag nandoon ka. Kasi hindi mo alam yung mga tao doon. Iba talaga.
Oo. Kasi iba, nasa banyagang bansa.
Yan ang nangyari. Nangyari sa amin, bumalik kami with a less ipon lang, but really decided to not to go back. Even may ticket pa ako, papalik kami mag-family, but really on that time, I decided not to go back. Then I started my own business, may kunting ipon. Alam mo naman, yung sabi nila, usually, pag galing Middle East, yung tinitingnan na negosyo, yung kaya lang. Kasi yung contact mo, wala na. On the time, wala pa cellphone eh. Yung contact mo dati, nawala. Then you start again. Kasi walang cellphone dati eh.
What was the first business po? Ano yung first business na hinandle nyo? On your own business na?
Yeah, I make my own shop, mechanical shop first kasi ano nangyari doon na wala na, ubos na yung pera eh. But really, gutsy lang na we have really a challenge when we started the business because.
Yeah, but you have the skills as a mechanical engineer.
Yes, yes. With that skills, kasi usually ang mangyari doon, pag yung skills mo, doon ka mag-umpisa to start the business. But with that experience, I started but with no capital. Yun, ang pagrenta lang. Na alam mo ba yung mga 5-6 ganun? I started with that just to get the location. Just to get the location kasi hindi mo pwedeng mawala yung opportunity kasi usually pag traditional business
dapat nasa magandang location yung business mo.
Yes. Yun ang first na target.
Strategic kumbaga, strategic location.
Correct. That is the usual, but on the time I started talaga nobody teach us, nobody guide us to do the business. At the time, nag-umpisa kami 2000, November 1999. When I started my own business talaga. Then after that,
how old are you po that time? Ilang taon na po kayo that time?
Para 36 years old. 35, 36. Ganon. Yun ang life namin. We started the business na ako yung naging mekaniko. Naging mekaniko.
Kasi pag sarili ka daw pong business, you have to wear all different hats. Kapag sarili mong business, if you are in entrepreneurship, lahat ng sombrero sa'yo, mapa-mekaniko, mapa-janitor, mapa-lahat. Lahat
ginawa ko. Jack of all trade, ganun.
To start the business talaga. Kasi wala kang pansahod eh.
Yes.
That is the usual. That is the usual startup.
Yes.
Ang challenge ko lang dyan na sinabi ko sa sarili ko, just I pray na give me a break, Lord. Give me a break. Yun ang challenge number 1 na I'm doing the business. Kasi yung brother ko, he's doing a business also and always asking my father about capital. But I've seen my father na wala talagang capital. Wala. Yun. Tinignan namin nga, talagang hindi kaya ba? But in my case, that is the first na business. I will try a business without a capital to start.
But you just shell out or nilabas mo lang yung pang-rent. Kasi you have the skills
inutang
na
pa yun. Inutang pa yung rental.
Rental pa
Yeah,
rin.
but that's the cash lang talaga na nilabas ninyo from borrowing from from
That is
5-6.
for the rental, but I have, these jeepney, I have, when I arrived from Bahrain, I buy 3 jeeps. That's why I decided to make a shop, because I've seen the money goes to the shop only. Because whoever try this business, sabi nga nila, transport business na jeepney, yung sabi nga nila, yung owner, lang, yung parang
Boundary lang.
Pero yung driver, naka-beer pa.
Mas malaki pa yung kinita ng driver kesa doon sa operator.
Operator, tama ka. Yun ang umpisa namin. Then I found out with the skills of technical skills, I found out that money goes only to the shop. That's why I decided to make the shop. I sold 2 jeeps because all second hand when I started. Kasi kulang yung pera, I bought second hand because I only confident that I can do the repair for myself. That is the first thing.
At yung mga taon na po yan po yung mga usong-uso pong investment ng mga OFW, yung jeep po. Kasi I remember my aunt po, meron siyang, yan po yung ini-investan nila. Kasi yan po yung sikat na investment ng mga OFW, magkaroon ka ng jeep. Tama po ba?
Yes. Tama yan. Kasi pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, usually wala kang contact. But before, when I left the Philippines, I am a manager of a trucking company. But wala naman cellphone dati. Walang cellphone din. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga contact ng mga kaibigan mo. That's 0. 5 years ago nasa Middle East. Yun ang umpisa. But on that time, I started learning. Kasi sa nakita ko sa business talaga, ang importante lang na you learn the process of doing the business. That's number 1. I'm doing it trial and error. That's the life I have until I even transfer to other location to make another shop, and even I grow up to I have some other business about my field talaga na mechanical engineer in air conditioning business na. Nakita ko this is better. I got big companies in Southern Cebu. I get this Apo Cement about the cement company as a maintenance for the air conditioning. And also I got Pepsi-Cola. That is the first talaga ito na.
Kasi pag mga company po, they have their preventive maintenance on their offices sa mga So
sa
pag
mga
isang
purchase
order lang yan, parang entire year yun makuha mong contract sa kanila and you do the service every 3 months for the preventive maintenance.
Yes.
So
tuloy-tuloy
yung
Pero when I started with the contract, talagang guts lang eh. Kasi alam ko saan ka kukuha ng ng materials, lahat. May challenge talaga sa negosyo. Pero really, in my case, yung parang, yung lakas loob lang ba ang ginamit when I started. Nag-umpisa nga tayo na kulang-kulang ng puhunan until I get my aircon supply parts na store. But sad lang kasi nangyari, I lost all of this on the time 2015. 2015, nangyari na dyan na marami na kong tao, hindi naman pwede yung tao, walang sahod. Nandoon, pati yung insurance, savings ko, nandoon, ubos. Yan, on that time.
Di bale ng yung company owner yung mag-sacrifice, wag lang yung mga tao.
Correct. Yun ang mahirap sa negosyo. Kung hindi mo maintindihan yung talagang you sacrifice for the people.
And then you have to hide it to the people, that you have to show it that you're okay kahit hindi na okay.
That's the usual. But after that, I lost all of this. 2015, that's the time I really rethink again what is really how to become successful in business.
Yeah, what
I
do you
do
think
my
po,
part.
Coach Noel, bakit ganun po yung nangyari? Can we have any lesson from that na you build your business and then after how many years, then you go back, parang it's a rock bottom again on your life. What do you think is the message or the lesson from that, the message of the creator from you, like with that experience, so that the viewers will see na yung mga sinasalihan or yung mga businesses na inuumpisahan nila, and then they go back down and then on their rock bottom of their life, so that they have also the courage again to bounce back. So is there any message from the creator na nakuha mo? Why is it happening? On that
time, really, I reflect on my side na how to become successful. Other people is succeeding, but more people also are failing. You know, on that time, I found out one thing that I've seen in my life, that really coaching and mentoring is important. That is the first, because nobody guide you on business.
That's true.
In our case here, that's why on that time, I really think again, what happened, why basketball has a coach, volleyball has a coach, Manny Pacquiao has a trainer. And for us as an entrepreneur, we don't have a coach. That is the
just
main
go on
problem.
Our own. Kung ano yung naisip natin na okay, we just go on our own, but hindi pala tama.
Yes. Yun ang usual. Yun ang usual kasi guts lang nandoon eh. Yung iba naman, may puhunan, yung parents may puhunan, binigyan, but the learning process is the most important for me. Learning process, and that's why when I fail, it's really not easy when you fail.
Yes,
but
because Coach Noel, you know, in the first place, nung nag-start ka, sabi mo, kaya ko to kasi I am a mechanical engineer, so kaya ko tong patakbuhin. That's the thinking, right? Yan yung thinking natin.
Yes, that is one. You have all the skills. That's why more managers here join and fail also, because they think they know the business. But there is some part of the business you don't know. That is the challenge there. Because as an entrepreneur, you know most of the things, accounting, finance, operation, even how to hire people, all these things you need to know. That is the difficult part of the traditional business. Kasi sa'yo lahat eh. Sa'yo lahat. After that, I decided that really I need a coach. I searched, on the time, 2015, internet is already good. Mayroon ng talagang monthly internet connection at the time. When I searched the internet, because wala tayong ibang I'm really happy na mayroong internet. Kasi you cannot ask other people what to do on how to start business.
Yes, because other people might be thinking, bag sinabi ko to sa kanya, mawawalan ako. Those are the thinking of other people who had. Parang kumbaga, I don't want to say, but it's a selfish thinking na parang ganon. That time, yan yung mga year na ganyan, na wala pang mga open social media.
Yes, tama ka. That is when I started on that research now, I'm really thankful that there is an internet. I start searching about coaches, mentors. That's the first time that but I have already some idea. My wife is starting to do some network marketing 2000, and even we've been on one networking company na 2002, we joined Amoy, because at that one I'm encouraged, because there is one of the things that I learned in network marketing, that there is a free learning process dyan. May coaching kasi na nangyari. Sa ibang business, walang coaching. Dito lang sa industry na to na may coaching free. Yun ang nakita ko when I started. I'm happy na mayroong network marketing. That is one of my, hindi ako na magni-network, but I don't make money on network marketing since 2000, no. But I love network marketing because of the learning. There is a support system na binigay ang Amoy. I'm under Yeager Group at the time. I don't earn anything, but I get that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Think and Grow Rich, I started the learning process. That is, I'm happy, but with that book, it's really difficult. Nobody guide you how to start the process. Yun ang challenge. But when I started 2015, when I got a coach, really I'm searching. Mahal yung coaching sa US, but I got one coach online na talagang naghanap ako ng pera to learn. Kasi
grabe,
nakita
no?
ko, yun ang isang ma'am, na nakita ko, this is very important. Iba kasi hindi na-value yung learning.
Can you share po who is that coach that you get? Is it okay or
Maraming
no?
coach sa US, but I have one coach, I will give you later. That coach really changed my mind because he taught me the process. The process is very important from your yan na nga sa amin ngayon sa Cebu. I make this Grow Me coaching program. Grow means that is a very simple guide for you to be guided in the process. G for goal, R for reality, O for option, W is for way forward or the will to do it. Then me is monitor and evaluate. That is the meaning of Grow Me. But there is a process that we are
Grow Me.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Grow Me. That is our program here in Cebu. That's why we are giving that for free to the members, because usually this is what happened when people is not ready yet to become businessman. In my life, I started trial and error, but I found out the easiest way to really succeed in business to have a coach and a mentor to guide you, because he knows how to win. That is the important thing. Yun ang key dito.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Grow Me.
That Grow Me. There is that is what we are teaching here, because that is the first. It is not about the business. It is about you.
It's about you. The first things first. First thing first is about you.
Kasi usually we are investing, people are investing on investment, but for me, the best investment that you will start is for yourself. That is the main thing. Because
so Coach Noel, connecting with the thing that you said, now you don't go into network marketing, but what you really want in the network marketing is that the free coaching. So yan, Coach Joey, ibato mo yung second question natin for from that kaya Coach Noel.
Ayun nga nung napapakinggan ko siya kanina, di ba, nag-start siya in 36 years old, no? Andun na yung journey niya. But ang question ko po, ayan, ito po yung age nyo, no? Ano po yung advice mo sa sarili mo na ang age mo pa ay 20 years old?
Yes. That is, as early as possible, you search for a coach and a mentor. That is the number one that you need to do. Don't do whatever. That is the starting point. Because to avoid more mistakes and frustration will come after that. If you have no, even how good you are in school. For us here, this is what I really learned. IQ is one. But to become successful, you must know your EQ.
EQ, emotional quotient.
Yes.
Tama.
That is the main.
Yes, napaka-importante, no? Yung emotional quotient. Yan yung i-develop when it comes to entering into a business. You should have that mastering your emotional quotient. Now, Coach Noel, paano naman kayo napunta sa Live Good?
Sa Live Good, this is my story. I think, I'm the oldest diamond in the Philippines. I'm the oldest.
Oldest talaga, ha?
I'm the oldest. I'm 60 now. But the main reason why I joined Live Good, I have a good business already. I'm a contractor already. Well, in air conditioning, I make money. But
so,
the problem,
nag-retain na business po ninyo is yung air condition. Maintenance. Yes. Yun po yung nag-retain. Yun yung na-retain yung business.
the business still running, I give it to my children. One, the
Mhm.
automotive shop, I give it to my daughter. Kasi yung husband niya, seaman, na rin, na may automotive background, yun, nandoon sa kanila. Din yung air conditioning business ko, I give it to my other child.
So you have your stable business. And paano kayo napunta sa
there is.
LiveGood?
Sa LiveGood, ma'am, this is what the reason. Why I joined LiveGood, because I want to retire, but I don't want my income to retire.
Oh.
In LiveGood, I've seen that we can produce a passive income. Passive income that really you make money even you just go coffee ka lang, ganun lang. Easy way pag na-develop mo na yung business. That is the main reason. Kasi yun ang gusto ko. I want to retire but I don't want my income to retire. Yes.
Because expenses don't retire also.
Correct.
Tama po.
Wala yan. Talagang ganun ang buhay eh. Kailangan kasi mostly sa negosyong active income eh. Pag may project ka, may income. Pag walang project, walang income.
But there's no passive income that has been developed or established.
Yun, mayroong regular income, but for me, it's not really passive.
Still active.
Because active and stressful pa. Kasi sa project kasi, there is deadline that you need to finish the project on time and there is stress. I don't want the stress anymore. That is my one reason. Kasi hindi mo maiwasan. You have a stress because you want to finish the project. Pag hindi mo ma-finish, wala na project na susunod. Nobody will give you another project if you cannot finish.
Yeah, that's true.
Yun nga lang po, yun nga lang po, sir, di ba? Kapag gusto mo ma-finish naman yung project, magmamadali ka, so dahil gahol na sa oras, ang mangyayari is papalya naman yung yung work mo. Yun, yun yung disadvantage.
Hindi naman papalya, but you need people, you need to supervise.
Yes.
You need to supervise because mostly sa contracting kasi, ang variable doon yung labor. Yung labor. Pag hindi mo talagang hindi mo monitor yan, lugi ka.
Lugi, ayun, tama pa.
Yeah. Yun ang life ko. That's why when I've seen LiveGood, nakita ko, I treat LiveGood when I go to diamond level, I treat LiveGood as a project. As a project na kailangan may deadline. Nakita ko lang, Coach Fernan, naging diamond 2 months. Pero nakita ko, I don't have that skills.
Ilang months po kayo bago nag-diamond?
I got my diamond rank 5 months.
Wow.
5 months.
Wow.
Sabay po kayo ni Ma'am Charlene?
7 months siya. 7 months.
2 months lang.
2 months lang. Kasi I really treat LiveGood ranking na to go diamond kasi malaki pa yung bonus pool eh. Nakita ko yan, malaki pa. Kasi maliit pa, ilan lang kaming nag-diamond. On the time, I treat that one as a project.
Wow.
I treat as a project na may deadline talaga. Pag hindi ko matapos, lugi ako. Kasi I'm busy on the time. What I'm doing, I run for 90 days. 90 days run. I've seen this concept in other networking company. I just, I study some of the strategy. With Eric Curry, I've seen it. 90 days is really good because you can build momentum. You can build momentum within 90 days. Nakita mo na yan. After 3 months, 2 months plus, I become platinum. But
with the consistent actions, massive actions within the 90 days.
Yeah, that is one. That is one na talagang you set deadline to finish your project. Pag hindi ka mag-set, walang mangyari. Walang mangyari talaga. Pabanjing-banjing lang, wala talaga mangyari dyan. Ayun ang first mo. Lahat naman, maski airplane, kailangan accelerate talaga. Na hanggang nasa taas ka na, makuha mo na yung gusto mo.
Yung altitude.
Yes. Yun ang importante na nakita ko na I want to share this na ganun lang. But you need to study the business that you're in. That's one thing. I think, I don't know, if you check other diamonds, I'm the only diamond who become diamond na walang direct na platinum.
Oh, wow. So how did you do it po? Para
Yeah.
to everyone know, wala siyang platinum.
Ayun, no?
So maraming
Wala akong
direkto, maraming direct.
Maraming direct yan.
Wala akong direct na platinum. Ha?
Ayun, no?
Wala
It's
akong
the number
maraming
of
direct.
people. Number of people down the
Kasi
line.
mostly, I don't know whether you know this, that you can rank up even if somebody under your leg down the line.
Down to the
rank
line.
up, that is
Yeah,
counted.
meron yan pong meron training yan si Coach Fernanda last time. 2 beses na niya yan trainin how to do it. Kahit walang mag-rank up na platinum sa baba mo.
Yes. That
Ayan.
is what happened to me because I'm not a networker talaga. But I study the business. That is one advantage I have.
Ginamitan ng pagka-inhinyero pala. Because you love numbers, di po ba? Yung mga engineers. Magaling
Numbers
sila
don't
sa
fly
mga
down. Oh.
Sa mga computation.
Oo, computation. Mga
Kasi
Mga
makita
arithmetic.
mo, yeah, yun ang advantage na nakita ko. Because I don't have more contacts. Yung direct ko na diamond ako, I think only 11 or 12. Ganun lang. But I've seen, you must know that this is very important. If you are not good, you must know how to find the good people under you.
Yes. Coach
Ayun.
Noel, Coach Joey, ano mo yung next question natin? Kasi sabi
Ayan.
natin kanina, no, si Coach Noel, although 'di ba siya yung diamond na, sabi niya siya yung oldest diamond, and a lot of people po, no, may mga diamond na rin na they don't continue doing it. Like for example, others are maybe complacent na. So, ayan,
Yes.
Coach Joey, the next question natin na patuloy, paano, the reason why?
Yes po, no? So, dahil sa nandito po tayo sa subscription business, so now, na-trend na po yung subscription business. Ano yung advantage having this kind of business?
Yeah. For me, that is one nakita ko dyan. It is a regular income because monthly rin yung monthly yung parang mandatory that you need to pay. Nandoon yung negosyo natin sa subscription. Yung direct referral para sa akin, wala yan. Wala yan. Kasi doon na nasira yung yung thinking sa tao na nakafocus lang doon kasi malaki. Immediate ang money. Pero para sa akin, the business is not on that referral. Is there on the matrix system. Parang loyalty bonus ba? If you can build the organization, that's the business. Andoon na yung negosyo eh. And alam mo, sa subscription, yung sinabi mo, Coach, na yung subscription kasi that is biblical yan eh. Na kailangan you find a business na talagang continuous, long-term, continuous income. Andoon yung
Yeah. Nasa
Ayun.
biblical pala yung
Nasa
subscription.
biblical.
Yeah.
Kailangan may continuous
You check
income.
Solomon's idea. Nandoon yan. Nandoon yan.
wow.
You focus on the long term na you're paid for 1 year. You're paid on 1 year sa atin, monthly yan. Continuously. Subscription is part of that. I have a video na pinopost ko doon about Solomon's business idea.
Wow.
It's really good.
Wow.
It's really good because
will
kailangan
watch
na
that po.
recurring.
It's recurring,
income yun.
oo. It's recurring income. Kumbaga.
Nandun-
So yun po yung nagustuhan nyo, Coach Noel, when it comes to subscription business. Is that the thing that you love the most, yung recurring, yung income? That you will not,
Yes,
unlike the traditional business, di ba, Coach Noel, you have to find for clients every now and then, find for clients, new clients, new purchases, di ba, yung mga
Nothing.
ganon, new customers, you have to find
Correct.
for new. Samantala kapag subscription, nasa subscription business tayo, you just find one and then that's recurring na.
Yes,
Di ba
tama
ba?
yan. Yeah, that is one reason why I joined. The next reason is that is the trend now. You cannot avoid that. That is the trend. That is the trend that you need to adapt. You need to adapt. That is the best business model now to make money. And the third one is with that concept, we can make a passive, continuous income as soon as you build the business already. And it
So
will be
with your age,
continued. There is
Coach
some
Noel, with your age right now na senior senior citizen. So how you do the Live Good business? For everybody wants to know na with that age, kasi marami pong mga kabataan, no? Marami din mga nasa middle age na na sa life nila, and you on that senior citizen na age na. How do you do Live Good in your everyday routine?
Yes, this is my routine because I've seen it. I have already. I have other sources of income, not only Live Good, because I have some properties. I have laundry and all these things. I Live Good lang just to augment the income which I really target. Live Good is really good for me, and what I've seen for the senior citizen, for us, this is already a mission. Parang mission na to help. That's why we are not getting more directs. I help people on the organization because usually yung sinabi ninyo na yung mga Muslim mga dayong complacent na okay, nandoon na din the business going down, yung organization nila hindi na guided, nawala yung iba.
Yes.
Pero sa amin, this is what happened. I've seen that long time ago that you need to establish a solid foundation of the business, and don't stop, because for me, Live Good, the best target for you to have really a stable business is 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years minimum. This is minimum. My traditional business, it takes me 10 years to build. 10 years. And the challenge
for the stability. For the stability.
Yeah. For stability.
Yes, that is you need to have a stable business. Kasi usually tao kasi you will go to the comfort zone. Pag nandyan ka na sa comfort, there is no, sabi nila nga doon lang. If you go up, you create or you disintegrate. There is no constant. There is no constant. You don't stop. Don't stop building that business. If you have time, continue developing. The more helping that you will need here in Live Good, the more stable yung organization natin.
So sa mga nagiging part ng yes, Coach Joey, sige.
Alam mo, Coach Mavic, doon sa sinabi niya, pagdating sa negosyo talaga is 3 to 5 years, no? Kasi unang taon hindi ka pa nakakabawi niyan eh. Ayan, puro palabas ka pa lang ng pera niyan, ayan, doon sa business mo. Pangalawang taon, yan, medyo hindi ka pa rin nakakabawi niyan. No? Mga 3 taon, doon mo mararanasan, bumabawi ng konti. Pero minsan, di ba, kung bakit bumabagsak ibang business, kasi pangatlong taon is nalulugi na. Yan talagang babagsak na. Kaya nakarelate ako doon sinabi ni Coach Noel, no, na sabi nga, 3 to 5 years bago mo malalaman kung stability na yung iyong business.
Correct.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And part of that Grow Me, Coach Noel, no, doon sa Grow Me na ginagawa ninyo. So sa mga nagiging part po ng team nyo, paano nyo po sila gina-guide at natutulungan na kumita din sa ganitong industry natin, sa Live Good?
Nakita namin, this is what happened. When we started first year namin, yung first year, there is no coaching. There is no coaching.
No
After
coaching?
that year, no coaching the first year. Kasi nakita ko, it's easy. It's easy.
Yeah, then what happened?
After
What
that,
happened? Why you injected coaching right now?
Because after that, there is usually, number one, the people mostly are employee. Employee's mindset is different, really
Different.
big different than the businessman mindset. Very far talaga yung ano. Kasi mostly, nakita ko, employee ka, quitter. Mostly quitter. Pag hindi mo gusto trabaho, lipat agad. Lipat
Yes.
na naman, lipat na naman. Yun ang usual eh. I have so many employees on my traditional business. I've seen that pattern na talagang ano na, you cannot build these people if there is no education. That they will know what is the mindset of the business people and the employee is different. Very big difference. They want fast money, instant money. Yun ang
Instant money.
Ang business people, we have delayed gratification.
Delayed gratification.
Yes, we can. For me, on my traditional business, it took me 10 years to develop it. 10 years. Quitting is not an option to become a businessman. Quitting is not an option.
Wow,
That
grabe,
is,
no?
Yeah, there is no chance to quit for me. Because
Kasi dahil ba siguro pamilyado tayo, Coach Noel. That's why there is no chance on quitting because there are families that are waiting for us. Diba?
Correct.
May mga anak na
if
kailangan,
you
may
are
obligasyon
responsible
tayo.
enough, that is the mindset. But sometimes kasi you have the habit of quitting already. Mostly this is what we've seen. We are designed really. We are designed as a winner. From there, we are designed to win, but only
Yes.
we are programmed to lose environmentally. People around you is the one who give you all this information nga hindi pwede, ganito lang, ganyan lang. All this, we get it from 0 years old until now. You need to shift the programming. That is our lesson.
You have
dito.
to
Kasi
reprogram.
nandoon yung foundation eh. Nandoon talaga yung problema. Hindi yung business strategies para sa amin, strategies and skills only 5%. 95%
So the problem
is
basically po
mindset.
is, basically the problem of people who are not winning or let's say humihinto or nagkukwit talaga, the problem is on the reprogram or the program of the mindset
Yes.
ng isang tao. So you have to first, kaya meron kayo nung Grow Me.
Correct.
So you have to instill or you have to rewire lahat ng mga kumbaga sa computer ay kailangan i-reformat.
Reformat. Yeah.
Tama. Yun ang kailangan ng tao ngayon, reformat. Kasi nakita ko, I've seen Coach Fernan, Coach Harold Pangan, they are really already ready to win. That is what I've seen. Any networking, they are expert already on that field. Any networking, you put them on any networking, they will win. I've seen that. But they are ready. But most of the people is not ready to handle that. That's why we need to train them. We need to reprogram them to fit this kind of industry. Kasi yung negosyo natin, hindi product, hindi technology, tao yung
It's
negosyo
people,
natin.
People's business.
Correct.
People's business. Oo.
Nandoon.
So ano po maa-advise nyo, Coach Noel, sa mga tumigil na na mga member na ng Live Good? What can you say doon sa mga tumigil?
Yung tumigil talaga, mostly, they are programmed ganun. Na tumigil talaga. Pag may challenge, they stop. For me, as an entrepreneur, we are paid here to solve problem. We are paid to solve problem. Pag may problema, you do it head on. You solve the problem.
Don't escape with the problem. You have to face it.
Face it, because if you can solve it, you make money.
You will be paid.
Yeah, that is the way. But mostly, people who quit, they have some difficulties, they have some challenges. That's only a feedback that you need to change little course, to try to solve that, but don't quit. quitting is not an option if you want to succeed in business.
Ayan ha, malinaw na malinaw
Ayan.
sa mga nanonood natin right now. Quitting is not an option. Saka ang ganda-ganda ng mga binitawan ni Coach Noel. I hope naka-take down notes sa mga nanonood natin dyan. Ako, sobra po yung wisdom ni Coach Noel na binigay niya sa atin right now. And ayan, Coach Joey, ano yung last question natin kay Coach Noel?
Ayun, no. Kaya
Bago tayo
medyo
mag-speak
speechless ako. Kaya medyo speechless ako kasi talagang pinapakinggan ko lagi siya. Pinapakinggan ko bawat bitaw niya, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng wisdom. Ayan, so last yung sa question, no? So ito po, ang sabi nga po dito, pwede niyo po bang i-explain gaano kaganda sa pananaw niyo ang subscription business at ano ang future nito, especially sa mga Filipino people?
Yeah. This one, for me, if you want to switch from your existing, whatever you do now, this is a good training ground for the business of the future. Subscription, because you need only 3,000 pesos to start. And now you need only 600 pesos to start, member to member. There is so many things. You need to study this. Because for me, when Glinsky said, first he said that Live Good will be there 10 to 20 years. I'm happy already on that, 10 to 20 years. But after 2 months again, he said, Live Good will be there 20 to 50 years. The more I'll be excited because I've seen the trend. I've seen the trend. After that, the last na binitawan niya, Live Good will be there 100 years, which I agree with that. 100 years. Wala na tayo. Nandyan pa Live Good.
Yes po. Ayan.
Grabe, So with that po, Coach Noel, ano yung after 5 years, nabanggit nyo na lang din, no? After 5 years, ano na kaya ang rank or ano man na mangyayari sa grupo ni Coach Noel? Ilan na kaya yung na-produce na diamond ni Coach Noel sa baba niya after 5 years?
For me, this is not, this is, at least you must have a goal. You will set, whatever it is, you set that. 100 diamonds yung target namin for 5 years.
Wow!
100 diamonds. 100 diamonds because now we are focusing not to expand our making money. For me, I'm happy with that income already. But I want to, if there is extra, I want to help people under me, under us, to rank up. Because you can see the matching bonus, generation bonus, there is still more money if you help more people to rank up.
Even
that is really what we've seen. You see, the more you help people, the more you'll be rewarded dito. We have already established our own cooperative. Now we are solving the problem of the product. We have our own cooperative. Our cooperative here is doing the product just to support people here.
Is that a new established cooperative just to cater or to handle the products?
That is the old cooperative I have.
Okay.
That is already 1990s pa yan. But most of my colleagues there, mga negosyante, close cooperative yan, but now I open it to public. Because I've seen it that in my side, co-op helping me on my finance before. And now I've seen the cooperative is really can guide people because our main objectives in cooperative is not to make lending cooperative. Kasi
financial, a way to financial literacy for every member.
Yes. We are teaching people sa cooperative about personal development and financial literacy. That is the backbone of our cooperative. And we know why people lubog sa utang ngayon. Lubog sa utang kasi yun ang usual ginawa sa cooperative. For us, we use Live Good as one of our livelihood program. Ano bang problema? Bakit ang tao ng utang, nalubog sa utang? Kasi kulang ng income. Nandoon yung kulang income. With that, we focus on solving that using livelihood program. Live Good is our livelihood program. is one of our livelihood program. Yun, nandoon yung nakita namin if there is parang support group ang cooperative to help members to uplift their life, not na maging money-making machine na para sa cooperative yung members. Mali.
Oo. Because
Mali
other
talaga.
cooperative po, ang other cooperative, they're offering like, marami po silang mga ino-offer just to entice people to, di ba, para manghiram or para ganito, gagawin na ganyan. So, a lot of cooperatives like that. Pero there are cooperatives also na, they give financial literacy, they educate people, yun po yun sa inyo. No, so parang you place in proper and you just put in proper place yung mga businesses ninyo. So Live Good is kumbaga ay nakadikit siya dito sa cooperative kasi they are the same, 'di ba? The same yung magiging konsepto niya to help people. So from the cooperative, meron na silang gateway so that they have an extra income to do it. Diba? And then they can also put their income to that cooperative para mas lumago pa siya.
That is the next step. We are not pushing people to have this loan system. We want
as
seen the
savings for
future.
them.
Yeah, the future for us here, I know people in Live Good will make money.
Yes.
I know people will make money if they stay longer and educate themselves. After that, what they will do with their extra money? The future is that we can invest in that co-op and cooperative. There is cooperative bank, and you can invest on others that really lend this money for the people who can pay. Because bank will not lend you if you cannot pay. But usually that is different different direction. We know that yung mga tao na talagang makabayad, yun ang pautangin natin para we make money that with that income we can share that.
Naku, napakasarap makipagkwentuhan kay Coach Noel. But syempre yung oras natin, Coach Noel, no? Napaka-iksi lang ng oras natin dito sa ating podcast. But we love so much hearing from you. And I hope we can have you some other time around. Coach Joey, ibigay mo na yung speed chat natin kay Coach Noel. This is just for fun, Coach Noel, ha? Hindi po masyadong seryoso.
Opo. Ayan. Actually, Coach Mavic, no, nabanggit nga ni Coach Noel about co-op, no, sa cooperative. Alam niyo po ba na instead sa bank, sa co-op ako naguhulog. Kada may income ako, naguhulog ako pa konti-konti. Ayan.
That's true. It's tax-free kasi kapag
higher interest.
Ayan.
Higher interest.
Ayan. Okay po.
Ready na for the speed chat?
Coach Noel, ayan, ready na po. Ayan.
Parang boy abunda lang po yan, Coach Noel, kung kayo po ay nanonood.
Ayan po. No? So, speed chat po natin gone in 60 seconds. Ayan po, no? Mas okay sa'yo gawin or magiging priority. So, alin po dito, no? So, number 1, maging pogi o malakas ang dating? Maging pogi o malakas ang dating? Alin po pipiliin niya?
Parang wala ko dyan, Yung sa akin lang, gusto ko lang mag-retire,
Ayun. Okay po, no? So, pili lang kayo, maging pogi o malakas ang dating. Alin mo sa dalawa?
Kunwari po ay kabataan nyo pa po.
Oo, malakas ang dating.
Ayun, no? Online or offline?
Ngayon, nakita ko lang, just I will give you a little, as of now, offline. But for me, online is the next step.
Ayun, no? MLM or traditional business?
No, I don't want that too. I want this new concept now. Not MLM, not traditional business. I want this subscription business.
Subscription business. Ayan, okay pa, no? So, ito po yung sumunod. Networking or subscription business?
Ayun. Yun na, subscription. Wala na yung networking. That is obsolete already.
Mhm.
Obsolete na yan.
Apa. Ayan. Super green or super red?
Super red.
Ayan, no. Condo or house and lot?
Both. Isa
Both.
lang.
Isa lang po.
Isa lang. Mayroon akong bahay, mayroon rin akong pundo. Okay na.
Ayan na, ano pa?
Additional na. Farmhouse na sa akin.
Farmhouse, ayan, no. Okay, adobo or sinigang?
Adobo.
Ayan. Lechon manok or lechon belly?
Lechon Billy.
Ayan. Chocolate or rose?
Pag babae, rose ako.
Wow.
Ayan.
Andyan yata sa tabi niya si
Andyan
Coach
yata sa tabi.
Charlene eh. Baka
Okay na.
magkamalis, batukan kayo agad.
Okay po. Cash or card?
Cash or card. Para sa akin ngayon, the same na yun. Ngayon, cash or card, the
Uh-huh.
same. For me,
The same.
card is safe than cash.
Mhm. Ayan. Lights on or lights off?
Ngayon, 16 na, lights on na. Lights on.
Okay po. Long hair or short hair?
Sa akin, yung gusto kong short hair kasi yung misis ko palaging gusto kong short hair niya na
Ah. Okay po. Maputi or fair complexion?
yung maputi.
Ayan. No? Whiskey or wine?
Wine, whiskey, hindi ako hilig diyan. Wala, pero whiskey.
Wala.
Whiskey.
Whiskey, ayan.
Wine, red wine.
Ferrari or Lamborghini?
Wala na akong doon. Wala na akong, hindi na ako tumingin doon eh.
Hindi.
Pag senior na, tinitingnan ko. Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, ayan. So, dahil parehas pala tayo, no? Ayan. Rolex or Patek Philippe?
Rolex, pwede ko pang ibenta. Kasi
Ayun,
alam mo,
Rolex.
iba.
Nag-appreciate yung value.
Ayun, okay na. So, hanggang doon lang po yung ating 60 seconds na ating
Thank you very much,
speed
Coach
chat.
Okay.
Ayan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much po. Ayun.
Sa
Grabe, ang
lahat ng
daming
mga
learnings, ang
share
daming
ko.
wisdom, no, Coach Mavic. Ayan.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach Noel. You have any last message to our viewers, Coach Noel?
Mhm.
Yeah. For me, this is my last message. Don't let live good, get out of your way. This is the future. You must have this to start learning, or you must have this for the future or your retirement. This is what I've seen on this industry. This is for a small capital business but big potential income. This is what I've seen. I hope you will be with Live Good. Yung ibang naghinto, go back. Sayang.
Mhm.
This is sayang na opportunity. You must be here. Huwag mong bitiwan. Ito na. Okay? Thank you very much for the time.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Noel. Well, just
Thank you so much.
for lang po, Coach Noel, no? Thank you very much.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank
Ayan,
you so much po. Thank you.
Alright, so Coach Joey, grabe no, ang daming
Oo.
learnings from Coach Noel. Sabi niya nga, we are designed to win, but we are
Yes.
programmed to lose. Kaya kailangan tayo mag-reformat. I hope yung nag-enjoy po yung mga nandito, nanonood sa atin na Coach Joey.
Mhm.
Sobrang, ayan, nag-enjoy sila. Ang dami nilang learning. Sobra-sobra
Yes.
yung nakuha nating learnings. And
Oh.
sabi niya nga, di ba, you go back from a word coming from the mouth of a serial businessman. As a serial businessman, siya na nagsabi na kapag huminto ka sa Live Good, you have to go back. Kasi siya bilang a businessman, nakikita niya talaga kung ano yung business na nagtatagal at ano yung business na maganda para sa atin. How about Coach Joey?
Ayun,
ano yung point of view mo dyan?
Actually, parehas tayo din sa yun nga, na kailangan ma-reprogram talaga tayo, no? So, at saka yung binanggit niya, no? Yung sa emotion, no? Dapat hindi tayo emotional, dapat tingnan natin kung paano tayo mag-grow. Kaya nga, yun pa lang, no? Yun pala yung sa kanila, no? Yung need mo na talaga ng coach, no? Para mag-grow ka. Kaya kung yung mga bago dyan na nakikinig, para mag-grow kayo sa ganitong business, yan, napakaganda po ng message po talaga ni Coach Noel, no? Ang dami niyang na-i-advise sa atin na hanapin mo lang, paturo ka, pa-coach ka, no? May mga mentor tayo, may mga coach tayo.
Importante talaga yung coach. Yun yung siya na yung nagsabi, no? He has been into business that fails. Yun yung kulang dahil sa mentor or sa coach. So you have to seek for a mentor or coach na mag-guide sa'yo. That's very important. That's true because I've been there also, no? Parehong-pareho nung kanyang nung kanyang experience. It's about the business. Yes, we have our skills, meron tayong nagain knowledge from our education, meron tayong natapos. But when it comes to business, it's different. Iba po kasi yun, Coach Joey, no? Magkaiba yung nagain natin from schooling and then nandyan tayo sa business talaga. So napakaswerte natin, Coach Joey, kasi Live Good offers the very, very low price of access level. Kumbaga, meron na, 'di ba? Tatlong access level. You go on a 1 year, you go on the 3,000 or you go on the monthly. Yan yung mga access natin. Kasi kung makaka-access ka dito sa pagpasok mo pa lang sa Live Good with that very small amount, it's just your 1 day minimum wage kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho. Your 1 day minimum wage, you can sacrifice it to enter into Live Good program. Kasi makikita mo dito, it's not only growing your money, but growing your mindset and growing your emotional quotient. Tama
po, no? So actually, Coach Mavic, 4 po yun, hindi 3. No, kung ikaw naman ay utak negosyante.
5 years pa.
I-grab mo yung 5 years. Ayan. Ayan, no? So maraming pagpipilian, kaya hindi ka babagsak sa isang lang dito, no? May 4 kang pagpipilian. At saka
hindi ka nalugi, ha?
Hindi
Never
ka
na, Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Noel, you are investing. Invest first in yourself before you have to look on that investment to earn. So, kailangan sa atin muna, I hope maintindihan ng mga nanonood natin that they are not yet into Live Good, no? Na ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, you have to choose to invest first in yourself, Coach Joey, dahil yun ang pinaka-importante. And alam mo ba, yung mga kabataan right now, they are doing that. Diba? They are investing. And yung sabi nga ni Coach Noel, nag-hire pa siya ng coach na from the US. Magkano yung binayad niya?
Oo nga, no?
Diba?
Tama.
Pero yung ino-offer ng Live Good na napakababa, parang ayaw mo pa. Si Coach Noel nga, for him to be a successful businessman, talagang naglaan siya ng pera to have a mentor or a coach na nasa ibang bansa pa. So dito, ang liit-liit na ng entry point natin kay Live Good, makakakuha pa siya ng high-valued mentor. Nandyan ang ating Crown Diamond with a lot of experience, a vast of experience in this kind of industry. Hindi mo yan mababayaran ng ganon. Magkano lang yung entry natin kay Live Good, diba? But you have that wisdom coming from different people like Coach Noel right now na panood ninyo. He will guide you also. Our Crown Diamond Coach Fernan will be there, diba? High-valued people yung magbibigay sa atin ng guide, Coach Joey.
Tama na. Yung bang yung high-valued people but low profile. So yun yung pinakamaganda dito, no, na talagang maano natin, no, makikita natin sa ating mga coaches, sa ating mga mentors. Ayan, saka kapag talagang ang sa puso nila is pagtulong talaga. Meron na diamond na nga sila, crown diamond na, pero bumababa pa rin sila para mag-coaching sa atin. sa
Oo.
atin.
And Coach Joey ha,
Ayan.
last message ko sa mga nanonood or yung mga hindi pa Live Good or nasa Live Good ka na, this is the best way. Live Good is the best way for a stepping stone for you kasi kung if you want to go into traditional business and then mag-jump in ka agad sa traditional business without any knowledge of handling business, you have to be here muna sa Live Good. Kasi dito mo muna ma-learn everything. Baka tulad nung sabi ni Coach Noel, eto na yung pinaka-training ground mo muna sa napakaliit na halaga. And then later on, magiging magaling ka na negosyante. And then that's the time you go into a traditional business that has a very huge cost up capital or yung start-up cost. Kasi kung mag-start up cost ka sa mga businesses na traditional, hindi lang siya 10,000, hindi lang siya ganun yung amount niya, Coach Joey. Kaya yung iba, di ba, they have to sasabihin nila, ay, magnenegosyo na lang ako ng ganito. Siguro, di ba? Pero it's not. Kasi dapat may aayusin ka muna sa buhay mo, sa character mo, sa whole being mo as a person, so that pagpunta mo sa traditional business, talagang talagang magiging successful ka. Yan ang nakita ko dun sa sa lesson from Coach Noel, Coach Joey. Meron ba tayong Coach Joey, yung encouragement of the day ba? Meron?
Ayan, encouragement of the day. Siguro, wala dito yung encouragement of the day. Pero siguro, hindi natin nakuha yung yung verse mismo, no? Chapter and verse
Solomon,
ng
pinost
Solomon.
niya daw yun. Oo, pinost niya. Siguro we go over to Facebook account of Coach Noel, no? Or you can just search siguro on the ChatGPT.
Ayan.
Ayan, itanong mo lang doon kay ChatGPT, what's the verse about the subscription? What's the verse in the Bible about the subscription?
Continuous earning yata po yung nabanggit niya. Continuous earning.
Alright, thank you very much sa ating mga nanonood. Hindi na namin babasahin yung mga kasi naka-flash naman po dyan sa screen natin.
Ayan.
Okay. Thank you very much sa ating mga nanonood. We are so blessed that we have Coach Noel today, Coach Joey. And ayan, ang aking message lang po, ayun, no, mahalin natin kung ano po yung trend right now. We have to evolve, or else we will just repeat what happened to our life.
Yes.
Ayun. So, Coach Joey.
Ayun, no, so ibig sabihin, ito nga po, no, katulad po ng nyo po, no, lagi dito sa podcast at lagi nyo antabayanan, lagi po kayo manood dahil marami po, no, iba-ibang life story, iba-ibang mga aral ang makukuha natin, iba-ibang mga inspirasyon ang makukuha natin, no. Ang sabi nga, this is your Coach Joey or Joe's Justify Our Wonderful Story. Ayan.
Meron palang gano'n.
Sa Tagalog po, no, Coach Mavic, no. Ayan. Ayan, sabi nga, bigyang katwiran ang ating magagandang kwento. Ayan.
Yung pala ibig sabihin niya. Alright.
Yes.
Thank you very much, everyone. We'll now say
po.
temporary goodbye to you. Thank you.
Yes, goodbye. Goodbye, Coach Mavic. Good night. And sa ating mga viewers. Ayan.
We'll see you again next time on Tuesday.
Okay po. See you.